Is the blue color on your LG TV driving you crazy? You might be wondering how to fix the blue color on LG TV and restore the vibrant, accurate colors you love. The good news is that fixing this issue can be straightforward, and we're here to guide you through that process. Whether it's an adjustment in settings or a deeper technical problem, this guide outlines everything you need to align the hues on your screen for the perfect viewing experience. Step 1. Check cable connections. First, ensure that all cable connections are secure. Sometimes a loose or damaged HDMI or component cable can affect your TV's color output. Detach and reattach each cable, ensuring it's snug in its port. If possible, test with another device to verify if the cable itself might be the issue. A fault in the cable can cause color distortion, including excessive blue tint. Step 2. Adjust picture settings. Next, dive into the picture settings of your LG TV. Grab your remote and access the menu by pressing the Settings or Menu button. Navigate to the picture or display options, depending on your model. Here, you will find options such as color, tint, and color temperature. Start by adjusting the color temperature setting. If it's set to cool, switch to neutral or warm to see if this lessens the blue hue. You can fine-tune the tint control, which often influences color balance towards red or green, counteracting excess blue. Step 3. Run picture test. If adjustments don't resolve the issue, proceed with a picture test. Many LG models have a built-in feature under support in the settings menu called Picture Test. This test helps identify if the issue is hardware-related or a settings anomaly. During the test, observe if the blue tint appears on these standardized images. If it does not, the issue is likely with external video sources or settings rather than the TV itself. Step 4. Update firmware. Firmware updates can also fix display glitches. Go to the General section of your TV's menu and select About this TV. Choose Check for Updates to see if there have been any recent firmware updates. Updated firmware can resolve bugs and enhance performance, potentially correcting any color issues caused by outdated software. Step 5. Inspect for hardware issues. In rare cases, the blue tint may be due to a malfunctioning component. If all else fails, it's time to consider hardware troubleshooting. Sometimes the LED backlights can fail or become misaligned, leading to color imbalances. If your TV is under warranty, contact LG support for assistance or arrange for a professional technician to perform an inspection for potential repairs. Step 6. Seek professional assistance. Lastly, if troubleshooting does not work, don't hesitate to reach out to professionals. LG customer service can provide model-specific guidance or recommend authorized technicians for an in-home service call. Exploring these options helps ensure you receive expert advice tailored to your TV's needs. Understanding how to fix blue color on LG TV might seem daunting at first, but with these structured steps, you can tackle the problem head-on. By checking cable connections, adjusting picture settings, running tests, updating firmware, and exploring potential hardware issues, you stand a good chance of restoring your TV's natural color balance. Always prioritize updating your software, and when in doubt, consult with professionals to protect your investment. Happy viewing and enjoy those vibrant, balanced colors once more.